A few days ago, Leakster Digital Chat Station revealed that X300 Ultra will be the world's first phone with 200 megapixel cameras. Now the Leakster is back with some clarification. The main camera will feature IMX09E from Sony, while the periscope will use the IMX09A. It is a 1 by 1.2 inch sensor with 0.7 pixel size built on 22nm mode. It features hybrid frame HDR technology, which seems to be a marketing name for the combination of DCG and VS dual conversion gain and voltage scaling. The former uses two different conversion gains for each pixel. The latter is a similar technique used for higher dynamic range. The IMX09E will have over 100 dB of dynamic range, improved full well capability, and higher sensitivity. It offers 2x and 4x in sensor lossless zoom and 2 into 2 OCL, which improves autofocus performance. It will use a new assembly that combines glass and plastic elements. The vivo X300 Ultra will use the 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, completing the three on the back. The selfie camera will be a 50 megapixel module with autofocus. The X300 Pro will use a customized 200 megapixel sensor from Samsung for the periscope instead of Sony sensor like the Ultra. It'll probably use a Sony 50 megapixel LYT 828 sensor for the main camera.